Yo, I'm having a crush on this female. I'm having a crush. What is up, my people? How are you all doing? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm new to this female. She's called BINI. Right? It's my first time hearing, seeing her, listening to her music. Right? So I'm nervous, guys. Oh my god, I'm a bit nervous right now. Right? But one question: do anyone here know Bob Marley? Please let me know in the comments how much of you all know Bob Marley and the reason why Bob Marley has influenced your life so you could become a fan of Bob Marley. Right? So guys, we're gonna react to Cherry on Top official music video. First time reaction. So without further ado, let's see what's up. The most beautiful videos I've seen since 2024. Right? Look at the animations here. Look at how this place is freaking. It's like this place is in a Alice in Wonderland type of movie scenery. Right? She's gorgeous. Right? Her personality. In fact, I love her sense of humor. Buka, Buka, Buka. She's very pretty. Very much pretty. Oh my god, look. I'm Yo, I love this video. I love this video, guys. Oh my god, bro. Look at this video. Look at the cake she's standing on. The person who directed this video deserves an Oscar because this video suits her personality so much. In fact, again, I love her personality. As a Jamaican, I approve this. Video. This video is very astounding. I gotta give this video a lot of credit, bro. Trust me. Very good. A solid 10 for me.
I'm a sight for sorry eyes. One look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights.
Look. Oh my god, bro. Look at how cute she is. Ah! Buka, buka. Yo, I'm having a crush on these female. I'm having a crush on these female. Oh my god, bro. To be honest, I hope my girlfriend doesn't read us far in this video because trust me, she'd be crazy mad at me right now. But regardless of that, bro, these females are freaking sexy. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Bro, to hug each and every one of them, bro. Wow. Oh, that was freaking amazing. Look, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican. Wow, that was really good, bro. They're freaking amazing. Trust me. Damn.